Blockchain paradigm in public administration. Blockchain case study in Romanian public administration. Authors Sorin BURLACU, Mihaela OANCEA-NEGESCU, Svetlana Platagea GOMBOS, Gabriel Laurentiu FRANCU, Maria Alexandra SARBU, and Raluca Iuliana GEORGESCU from Bucharest University of Economic Studies, Romania. The aim of our research is to present blockchain technology from the perspective of its usefulness and functionality to identify possible application in public administration. The study of the literature and research carried out have allowed us to identify some essential features of blockchain that give us hope that this technology is useful and can bring benefit to public administration. In Romanian, we have identified scenarios and project proposal, but also the limit that prevents the implementation of this technology. The limitation of our research are that also they describe the reference system that determine how we perceive reality. They believe like headphone for virtual reality. Thus, for Romanian, we have identified certain characteristics to focus on, but to generalize our recommendation, it may be necessary to extend the limit of the vision on the surrounding world. Introduction. It's evident that over time both public administration and technology have undergone significant evolution. The administration as well as the technology are both somewhat old. While technological advancement can come in a variety of ways, advancements are occurring in some interesting way. In the past decade, we seen rapid advance in voice over IP on the internet, but there also be significant changes in the people attitude about this type of communication as well. Many individuals who don't know anything about cryptocurrency picture like Bitcoin, when they hear the word blockchain, this is a minor use of technology that has a lot of application and ideas, but on top of it. Although the public administration follows the standards set by European norms, there are many flaws both in the regulation and in the digitalization of technology aspect. We are nevertheless facing above average bureaucracy, which can complicate administration function. We believe that technology will aid in the progress of digitalization and process facilitation. These need to be implemented as quick as possible by administration at all levels. Blockchain can provide an escape from the sum of challenges like public administration, and it also faced several obstacles of its own. Something word about literature review. Mankind's view of the world has changed dramatically because the internet appeared. The way people communicate and handle their privacy online has experienced quite a bit upheaval. With this new blockchain technology, you can guarantee your customer will have a quickly and accurate transaction. Blockchain is described as a new technology at first, which takes years to achieve broad application. This is a list of records which grown in legs and is known as a block. These blocks communicate using a concept called cryptography, the sending of encrypted message. A cryptographic hash as a previous block is each on this block. The concrete understanding of this technology necessitates looking at how the centralized and decentralized architecture work. In Table 1, blockchain architectures, we present the difference between centralized architecture and decentralized architecture. Some words about technology behind the blockchain. When we look closer at blockchain, we found that 5-layer architecture. First layer, application. The second one, the layer of the services. The third, the semantic layer. The fourth, network layer, and the 5, infrastructure layer. In the table 2, we present layers of blockchain architecture, layer and features. Types of blockchain. Blockchain technology networks are divided into 3 broad categories based on their characteristics. The first one is the public blockchain. The network has no restriction on access to data node, giving any entity, institution, or person access to connect or perform various operations. The second one is a private blockchain. This network limits access to data entry nodes. Access is made only based on criteria established by its holder. And the third one is a hybrid blockchain. This network meets the characteristics of both network public and private, in sense of that the network is public, but only access is restricted. In the table 3, advantage and disadvantage of blockchain technology, we present the benefit and the disadvantage. When talk about blockchain technology in relation with public administration, we can find that blockchain is one of the most critical pieces of technology for public administration decision makers, since it might help finish their mission. Blockchain solutions are already successfully used at the base of electricity by a market trade, cryptocurrency, and stock trade. The importance and the recognition and applied technology for our organization, public data and information, it's addressed in their study on the scope and the smart government, with emphasis the relevance of technology in improving the agility and the quality of administrative practice, as well as importance of recognizing and applying technology for improving the quality of administrative practices. Organizations in both of commercial and public sectors are being forced to apply and adapt to new type of management, because the expansion of technology, which is also causing changes in the nature of work and business practices. In the contrast with traditional centralized database solutions, the system stores data in the multiple locations, resulting in a significant gain in data security over the long term. The characteristic of blockchain technology allow for fundamental overhaul of conventional form digital settlement and transactional recording, which aiding the benefit of lowering the risk of data attack by significantly reducing the opportunity for back access. So, in conclusion, blockchain technology has employed by company, organization, and institution in order to enhance the effectiveness of new management models and new operating procedures. The system maintains data in several locations instead to concentrate it in one central area, hence, and it is more secure than a typical centralized data solution. Blockchain technology, thanks to its benefits, radically change conventional digital models of settlement and transaction recording, and offer an extra advantage of reducing the danger of data breach by lowering the odds and backdoors assaults. This new technology will be quite difficult to introduce in Romanian government because of issue about resources. This problem could compound and create significant obstacle in getting the technology in place. saint.